Hi friend, it's me, Lumi the Robot. Today I want to plant a plant, but I don't have anything I need. Can you help me find the things to grow a plant? Yay! Let's go on a planting adventure! First, we need something to hold the plant. What do we need? A flower pot. Do you see a flower pot? Where is it? There it is.
Hooray!
The flower pot. You found it. Let's take it to the garden. Now we need some soil, dirt for the plant to grow in. Do you see any soil? Yes, that's the soil.
Hooray!
Let's take it back to our garden. Next, we need a seed, a tiny baby plant. Where is the seed hiding? Over here? There it is!
Hooray!
A tiny seed. Let's plant it in the soil. Last thing, we need water. Let's find the watering can. Aha!
Hooray!
The watering can. Let's plant our plant together. Flower pot, check. Soil, check. Seed, check. Water, check. Wow, look at that tiny sprout. It's growing. You did amazing, friend. Thanks for helping me plant a plant. See you next time for another fun adventure. Bye.